there, welcome to Super Hairpieces. If you're considering a hair system or already use one, you're in the right place. We're here to be your one-stop shop for all things related to hair systems, from products to services. We offer a wide selection of men's hair systems, each designed for comfort and style. Our hair systems come in various styles, textures, and shades, so you can find the one that looks and feels like you. Our top quality hair systems keep durability, natural appearance, and comfort front and center. Finding the right hair system is a personal journey, and we're here to help every step of the way. We'll work with you to pick a style and fit that suits you best, and we're committed to ensuring you're thrilled with your look. Our services don't stop at just helping you choose a system. We also offer custom styling, trimming, and maintenance services to keep your system looking fresh. We know the importance of a natural looking blend, and we're here to make it easy for you. Maintaining a hair system can be straightforward with the right products, and we have all the essentials right here in store. Our team is always happy to recommend products for cleaning, styling, and preserving the life of your system, so you can look your best every day. At Super Hairpieces, we understand the confidence that comes with finding a hair solution that truly works for you. We're passionate about helping you look and feel your best. So stop by and let us show you why. We're the top choice for men's hair systems. We've got everything you need from start to finish, all in one place.